This is happening tomorrow, guys, on Monday. Look what's going on right now. We've got the test over this ascending channel. This level we already test and we reverse from it back once we bounce from it back after we got the earnings on November 2024. And of course, after we test this level, we jumped almost 180%. Here back on the 3rd of February, we jumped 150. And now if we jumped over 150, we're gonna have a new high. We might have even almost the $100 if we reverse from this level. So for today, guys, we have to confirm this reversal that might happen pretty soon for SMCI, because right now we're already pulled back almost 50%. So every time we have this kind of pullback, guys, almost 50% every time. Look at here, 64%, here 50%, 50%. We have a reversal of 150%. It's not every time. I know it's not every time we're gonna have this kind of reversal, because it depends on the market, depends on the SPY, depends on what's going on in the market. If we have a bit of pullback from the market, yeah, we might continue to go down this time and break this level. However, if we held, we're gonna confirm when the price will reverse, when the reversal will happen. So we don't want to miss it, because if you miss this reversal, you miss this kind of jump that happened like back here, huge reversal in few days. Let me just show you how much time we reverse from here, guys. We just reverse in 16 or just 2 weeks. Too fast. Even here for this reversal, it happened just in 20 days. However, the pullback take much longer. Here 60 days and here almost 40 days. So you see, guys, always the pullback take a bit of time for consolidation, and the push back up is really fast. So is the energy lost in the way up is not like the pullback on the bearish side. That's why you feel that the market is on the bearish side, dictate the whole market. Like most of the market is on the bearish side, if you think about it, and the bullish side is a bit slow. Just for this kind of scenario, I'm not talking about in the big picture once we have bullish momentum for the whole market after COVID, because this is a black swan event. Once we have a huge flush and of course discount for the market, after that few years we have a huge jump up. But here we talk about the smaller picture for SMCI, about the pushback and the bullish side and the bearish side. In this small time frame, we have the bullish side. It is slow or small time frame, just 2 weeks for a huge jump, and after that we have much longer bearish side. So we have to discuss in today's video, and of course for tomorrow, how we could play SMCI for the next week. We got a lot of questions from you guys. What's the next resistance for SMCI, the current resistance, where the price will go? We're gonna discuss everything for today's video. And of course, hit the like button, and cheers for everybody. This is just water, of course, it's not wine. But I'm Jesus, of course I can turn it to wine. That's why it's turning kind of yeah, like wine. So anyway, let's get right to it. Press the like button and the way in, and let's start the today video for SMCI levels. And of course, remember, guys, we always go live every day 30 minutes before the market open on YouTube, and before that, pre-market watch list, chart analysis update for many stocks on our Discord and Patreon. The link comes section below, guys. So let's get right to it. For SMCI, we got the test finally here around our white line. As we discussed before, guys, we have a huge pullback here, and that's why we testing this level 40 days. This time here we have more than almost 2 months, and here less than 2 months. So even if we reverse, we might have a little jump and of course consolidation before the jump. So now we're not confirmed the reversal yet, because currently we're still testing. In the after hours on Friday, we didn't have a drastic change in the price action. We don't have a huge jump because we don't have news. The market closed, and of course the market closed a bit of red, as you can see here, for many stocks, fearing from the tariff that Donald Trump imposed on many countries. And especially next week, I think we got the tariff will be imposed on automotive about all the automotive industry. I think this is will affect Tesla and other stocks regarding this sector. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen for Tesla and other stocks. And of course, for now, we have to watch, guys, because the market is a bit pulling back, and SMCI follow a bit of the reaction of the market and the fear in the market. However, guys, right now we got a technical level that we should hold by the next week. Let me just show you what we should expect for the next week. We got this level just right there. So preferably we should have a gap up for tomorrow, guys. If we want to have some action for tomorrow, we should have a gap after the pre-market open over this white line, preferably over this white line. So tomorrow, if we have a gap of 11%, 10% would be great, around the 38, 37. This will be the first signal that we got a buyer over this ascending channel. And of course, the confirmation for a reversal right now is the 43.39, the most important level to break for SMCI for the next week, and of course for the next month, because next month on Tuesday we're gonna have the beginning of April. And of course, if we broke this level on the next month, this is mean then the beginning of the next month would be great for SMCI, and of course going higher. So this is the technical zone, of course, for SMCI to reverse from. So the first level should be now, because we're testing the white line, and the second level is even around the 31.13. So this range, that's why I put the triangle, guys. This range we could test it by the next week. And of course, we should have a major reversal, because this is a discount price for SMCI currently. And of course, if we reverse, we're gonna have this level to be tested first before the confirmation for a reversal. And as we said, guys, if we got this time a major reversal, and of course confirmation the reversal, it should be around the $95 for SMCI to hit, and this will give us at least a jump of 160%. As we discussed, guys, every time we have a jump here for SMCI, 160% here and 150%. So around this level, not just 100%, but 150 or 160, around this level, between 150 and 200, if we got a major reversal for SMCI. And this will give us the target for the next month. If we have a good month, around the 95, we could reach this level in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if we have the fundamental back us up, and of course for the market, if it's still holding and correcting. So this will be kind of tight situation for SMCI, because the market is a bit weak, and of course minus the fundamental news for SMCI. So we need two of those technical things to happen, and of course preparation before the earnings after after the month of May. So we're gonna have a hectic month for SMCI before the earnings, and have a reversal. So there's an anticipation that we're gonna have a nice jump before the earnings, or 1 month before the earnings, to go up until the 60, and after that, if we have good earnings, we might jump some more. So this is a technical zone, and of course a turning point for SMCI, for my opinion, over here, this triangle. So guys, we're going to discuss SMCI and other stocks for tomorrow. Tomorrow, the time, or summertime, will be changed here in Europe. So we're going to have the same time for the live streaming around 3 p.m. Central European time, or 30 minutes before the market open. So if you live in Europe, guys, every time the time will be set as normal. Tomorrow on our Discord and Patreon, the live streaming will be around 1 p.m. Central European time. Don't forget that, okay? And if you live in the United States, it is the same, around 9 a.m. Eastern time, or 7 a.m. Eastern time. If you live United States, the live streaming on our Discord and Patreon, because we always do pre-market live streaming and watch this video to prepare for the market, and of course trading before the market open, because all the opportunities sometimes last week we have all the opportunity, the good setup and good entry, it was in the pre-market. So join us, guys, for tomorrow, and thank you for watching, and have a nice weekend. And of course, never run after the price, instead let it come to you. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.